Hello students, good morning to all of you. Well, as you know that we are doing chapter 11 mensuration and we are doing the topic area. How to find the area of a rectangle, a square shape. So students, today we will try to know next question of exercise 11.2. So let's go for it. Question number 3. Look at question number 3. Find the area of the following figure. You have given two figures, figure 1 and figure 2. So first we have to find the area of first figure. Okay. So you can see here their value is given. Length is 4, breadth is 1, and another breadth is 1.5, length is 2. Okay. So guys, I think the figure has been split into three rectangles. Rectangle 1, rectangle 1, rectangle 2 and rectangle 3. So we need to find the area of rectangle 1, rectangle 2 and rectangle 3. So look at here. The figure has been split into three rectangles. Now area of the rectangle first, length into breadth, 4 into 1 is equal to 4 square unit. Area of the rectangle 2, length into breadth, length is 2 into breadth 1, we get 2 square units. And area of the rectangle 3, length into breadth 4 into 1, we get 4 square unit. So total area of all rectangles 4 plus 2 plus 4 a square unit. Okay. So we get 10 square unit. Once again, you can see in the picture here length is 4 and breadth is 1. Length of rectangle 1 is 4 and breadth is 1. And length of a rectangle number 2 is 2 centimeter. You can say 2 units. And breadth is 1. Okay. And length of rectangle number 3 is 4 and breadth is 1. Clear? So guys, you can do question number 2 as similarly. Question number 1. Okay. Now question number 4. We see question number 4. How many square meter of glass will be required for windows which has 10 panes, each measuring 25 centimeter by 16 centimeter. So here guys, we need to find number of glasses. Number of glasses how many square meter of glasses will be required for windows which has 10 pens. 10 pens means you can say single sheet, okay. Each measuring the length of each pen is 25 meter and breadth is 16 centimeter. 25 centimeter and 16 centimeter. So I have solved here. Please see this. The length of pen is equal to 25 centimeter means 25 by 100 meter. We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So we divide 25 centimeter by 100. We get to 0.25 meter. Clear? And breadth of pen is equal to 16 centimeter means 16 by 100 meter is equal to 0.16 meter. Therefore, area of each pen is equal to length into breadth. Pen is in rectangular shape. Why? Because length is 25 and breadth is 16 centimeter. So we apply the formula length into breadth. That means area of rectangular pen, you can say length is 0.25 into 0.16, not 25, 0.25 multiply 0.16, we get 0.04 meter square. Okay, so area of each pen, one pen is equal to 0.04 meter square. But in question there are 10 pens is given. How many pens? We have to find 10 pens, area of 10 pens. Okay, so area of 10 pens means 0.04 multiply 10. Clear? When we multiply 0.04 by 10, we get 0.4 meter square. So 0.4 meter square of glass will be required for windows. Okay. Now question number 5. We will do question number 5. So see the question number 5. Here question is a playground measures 300 meter into 170 meter. That means length multiply breadth. Find the cost of planting grass on this at the rate of rupees 80 per hectare. The length and breadth of the playground is given in meter, but the cost of planting grass is given in hectare. So firstly we need to find the area of the playground, then we need to find total cost. So guys, you can see the question number 5 here. The length of a playground is 300 meter and breadth is 170 meter. Therefore area of playground means rectangular playground, length into breadth, 300 multiply 170, we get 51,000 meter square. 51,000 meter square area of rectangular playground. Here 51,000 divided by 10,000. Why? Because 1 hectare we get 10,000 meter square. Means 10,000 meter square is equal to 1 hectare. So meter square is converted into hectare. Clear? So 3 zeros cancel. 51 by 10. 51 by 10 hectare. Area of playground 51 by 10 hectare. Clear? Now cost of planting grass of 1 hectare is equal to rupees 80. It is given the cost of planting grass of 1 hectare is equal to rupees 80. So total cost of planting grass of 51 by 10 hectare is equal to rupees 80 multiplied by area 51 by 10. So here we cancel 10 8 ja 80. Clear? Now 8 multiply 51 we get rupees 408. So the total cost of planting grass of 51 by 10 hectare is rupees 408 rupee. Clear? So I think this is your last question of this exercise. I hope you understand this success meet, and please do it in your maths copy neatly and try to understand. If you have any doubt, any problems, you can ask me. Clear? So guys, please do all these questions in your notebook neatly. Okay? That's all. Thank you.